Step into the Ford 2014 Mustang GT Premium. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: phone voice activated, phone hands-free, stability control, electronic messaging assistance with read function, security anti-theft alarm system, multi-function display, phone wireless data link Bluetooth, impact sensor post-collision safety system and sync, satellite communications. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.